In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Minecraft connection timed out Getsockopt error. There are several methods that can resolve this problem, so let's go through them step by step. First, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Once the command prompt opens, type the following command: IP protocol configuration /flushtons. Press Enter and wait until the process completes. After that, close the command prompt window. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Control Panel, and open it. In the top right corner, make sure View By is set to large icons. Then click Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, select Change Adapter Settings. Find your active network connection. This could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click it and choose Properties. In the list, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, then click Properties. At the bottom of the window, use the following DNS server addresses. Enter these values. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes, then close the window. Now, head back to the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. On the left side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then click Change Settings at the top. Scroll through the list until you find Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher. Make sure both the private and public checkboxes are enabled. Also, look for Java or java.exe in the list. If you see either one, make sure both private and public are checked for it as well. Once you've finished, click OK to save your changes. Now launch Minecraft again and check if the connection timed out Getsockopt error has been fixed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Minecraft troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.